Hey there, little explorer! Welcome to our fun and magical Python story world. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure with a clever little bird named Cheery. But guess what? There's a mystery hiding in the forest, and only you can help Cheery solve it. Are you ready to learn some cool Python magic? Let's flap our wings and fly into the story! One day, Cheery found a glowing stone. It had numbers flying all around it. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 10.
To unlock the forest path, guess the secret number between 1 and 10.
Cheery remembered her Python lessons. I need a random number between 1 and 10, she said.
First, I'll import the magic tool called random. It helps create surprise. Then I'll use this magic line to get a number between 1 and 10. Cheery guessed the number, and it was right. The forest path opened with a sparkle. Thanks to Python, Cheery solved the puzzle.